Miss Pastel! I thought I lost my book. You can find it anywhere. Oh no, do you check the entrance or the benches at the gate? No. Oh, I saw her earlier. You're in the entrance. Maybe she saw it. Yes, I saw it. Where? But you didn't pick it up? Yes. Oh wait. I saw Jane near the gate. Maybe she saw something. I didn't see anything, but I heard that the ball is near at the entrance. Oh hi, I'm in charge of the bar. Informative language helps us understand each other more. For example, instead of saying I saw it, you could say I saw a computer near the entrance. But I didn't. Oh, I see it. That's make it easier to everyone to know what happened.
That's right. If we use clear words, we can find the book faster.
Exactly. That's the power of informative language. It helps us to communicate and solve problems. Yes, I try to use more informative language next time. That's the way to go. Now, let's find and go find the book.